When water damage destroys your home, you need help fast. Contact the network of water damage restoration experts at flooded.com for immediate assistance. Our service providers are the #1 local source for water damage repair, water removal, and sewage backup when water floods and storms damage your property, basement waterproofing, and mold remediation. Water damage restoration will return your home to a safe, sanitary, and livable condition. After a flood, it is important that you evacuate the area and contact our water extraction team immediately. Fast action helps to prevent further damage and the spreading of dangerous microorganisms like bacteria, mold, mildew, and fungi. Our water damage restoration services are available in an emergency 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are dedicated to providing immediate extraction service, fast restoration, and cleanup. Not only is flooded.com the leader in water damage, we also specialize in water removal, mold remediation, mold removal, flood cleanup, and basement waterproofing. Our company is all you will ever need to call when there's mold or water damage at your property. Visit us at www.flooded.com or call 1-866-435-6637.